This is Ganesh Reddy and I welcome you to the Knowledge Treasure Hub. So in the last class, in the previous class, we have seen the K-map on 3 variables. So today class we will see the K-map on 4 variables. So let me take 2 examples. So the first one is, so A, B, C, D, 1, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So for 4 variable as it is, we need to take 2 power n means 16 cells. A, B, C, D, right? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now since it is a sum of products, we need to place ones in the respective cells. So for 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, next one is 7, next one is 11, next to 12, next to 13, next one is 15. So now we need to map so the adjacent cells. So initially we need to check here, so is there any 8 combinations? So there is no 8 combinations. So the next one is we need to see is there any possible 4 combinations. So yes, so there is 4 adjacent cells are there. So this is 4 adjacent cells. So A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. So for this, so we can write what are the common terms in these two. So B is common. Similarly, in these two, D is common. So BD. So next one is these two. We can map these two. So from this we have common AB. From these two we have common term as C bar. So similarly we can map these two. So common term is A bar D. Here C is common term. Similarly we can map these two. So the common term is C bar D. Similarly here A bar will be common. Now similarly we can map these two, right? So from these two we can have common term as A. Next CD. So we need to form the minimum combinations in case of K-map. So and also all letters needs to be combined with its adjacent. So here all are paired with 2. So then there is no necessary for BD since all ones are already mapped with its adjacent. So there is no need for the 4 variables again needs to be combined. So we can eliminate this BD. Since there is no need for this one, so the answer will be this one. So this is the final answer for this one. So there is no need for again. So these 4 needs to be mapped. So we can omit that 4 variable mapping. This is a 4 variable example. So next one we will see next example. So this is the answer for. This is the final answer for that question. So this answer can also be we can get from the Boolean properties and theorems reduction techniques. So the next one is A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So this since it is also 4 variable, so we need to take 16 cells. Zero 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 one one zero one one zero 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and also this is A bar B bar, A bar B, A B bar. Sorry. Hari కొంచెం కట్ చేసి. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, so on. This is A bar B, A B bar, A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. So now we need to put A bar B bar C D bar, A bar B bar, A bar B bar C D bar, A bar B bar C D bar, A B C D bar, A B C D bar, A B bar C D bar, A B bar C D bar. The next one is A B bar C D, A B bar C D. The next one is A B bar C bar D bar, A B bar C bar D bar, A B bar C bar D bar. Next one is A B C bar D bar, A B C bar D bar, A B bar C D, A B bar C D, A bar B bar C bar D bar. So here also we need to check, is there any 8 combinations? So there is no 8 combinations. So the next one is we need to check, is there any 4 combinations? Yes, there is 4 combinations. So this. So these are also adjacent to each other. So this one is adjacent to this one, as well as this one is adjacent to this one. So this is a 4 map as well. So these two are adjacent to each other. So these two are adjacent to each other. These two are adjacent to each other, and this one is adjacent to each other. So initially we will write these 4 adjacent. From these two we have common B bar. From these two we have common as D bar. So B bar, D bar. Plus next we will see these two. So these two have A as common, C bar, D bar. Plus, so these two we have A B bar as common. Next C as common. So from these two we have A as common. Next C D bar. So these two we have A bar B bar as common. Next one is C. So this is the answer for this question. So from this we can conclude. So when we map 4 variables, so when we map 4 ones, 4 cells, so there will be a reduction of 2 variables. Similarly, if we map only 2 cells, there will be reduction of only 1 variable. So if we map 8 cells, means there will be reduction of 3 variables. So if we map only 1 variable, means there is no reduction of any variable. So there will be all 4 variables present. So this is the technique, K-map technique we will use in the reduction of Boolean algebraic equation. So we will see some more examples in the next class. Stay tuned. Thank you.